Our other top story right now at 5, Dan and Jennifer Gilbert are pledging nearly $400 million to help build a new facility at Henry Ford Hospital.
Yeah, the gift is in honor of their late son, Nick, who passed away in May from neurofibromatosis. Mara McDonald is live at the hospital right now for us. Mara, we understand that money is going into two major care directions.
That's right, Damon. And the first one is going to be a 72-bed facility here that deals with physical medicine, physical rehab, something that Dan Gilbert himself knows all too well after a 2019 stroke. The pledge of nearly $400 million from the Gilbert Family Foundation to Henry Ford comes on top of the $500 million the Gilberts have already pledged to the city of Detroit. The money that's going to the medical system comes from the personal pain and grief the family has been through.
When I suffered from my stroke back in 2019, I sought out the best care in the country and found it in Chicago at the Shirley Ryan Ability Lab.
Gilbert's bringing a Shirley Ryan Ability Lab to Detroit as part of Henry Ford. It's to help those recovering from things like stroke, traumatic brain injury, and other conditions.
While there, I met many other patients who could not get all the rehabilitative care they needed because their insurance limited the number of hours covered. This is too often the experience for Detroiters as well.
To that end, the Gilberts are giving $10 million to establish a fund to help low-income patients get the help they need. The second part of this landmark gift is to help those with neurofibromatosis, what their son Nick suffered from. He passed away in May.
Detroit will also become the leader in neurofibromatosis research through the establishment of the Nick Gilbert Neurofibromatosis Research Institute, named in honor of our son, who passed away from complications of NF in May.
Back here live, the expectation is that the build out of all of this is going to be completed by 2029. We're live outside Henry Ford. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
All right, Mara, thank you. And ahead at 5:30, we're going to be talking live with the Henry Ford Health CEO, Bob Riney, to get a sense of how much of a game changer this pledge really is for the city of Detroit and the whole region.